Hello, welcome to you all. What you see in the screen is a mini hi-fi amplifier which I was using it for laptop presentations. Now it is not working. Let us try to fix it. First finding is the speakers are damaged. It has a line in socket for audio input and headphone out socket. It has a FM radio built in and supports usage of pen drive, TF card, micro SD. It also works with Bluetooth dongle, making it ideal choice for presentations with laptop. Let us remove the control card for further checking. The speakers are firmly glued to the panel. We shall warm them with a hair dryer for easy removal. The speaker slots needs a thorough cleaning for housing a new set. New speakers were ordered with Amazon and got in about a week's time. When the switch contacts were checked with multimeter, none of the contacts were giving continuity when the switch is activated. All the 6 switches are to be replaced. All the defective switches and the speakers were replaced, and it is time for checking. For now, we shall use a lithium-ion battery for testing. It is switching on. Switch it to FM mode and it works. Go to program selection button is also working fine. We shall try to connect to a phone with a Bluetooth dongle. It is getting connected. We shall assemble the board back. The speakers are fixed firmly with glue. After giving sufficient time for the glue to set, assembling was continued and completed. FM tuning button and channel storing buttons are working okay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and give a like if the video is useful.